na kami dito, hindi pa ito nakakatalon eh. Ang tawag doon? Talon! Talon! Bray! Talon!
Beng, Beng, Beng. Anong gawin natin mamaya?
Magpupunta sa falls.
Tapos?
Mappa-fall in love.
Ah, puto.
Dito, kuya. Kasi lang kami. Hindi ka kasi.
Kung wala ka sa dapat yung guts mo.
Pwedeng itulak to sa diving clip ko. Pwede lang. Kasi iwan na rin natin. Magbabayad kami ng extra para doon. Ako doon sa likod. Mataba ako eh.
Sa likod, hindi siya kakasya dito.
Sinabi ko na nga mataba ako. Hindi nakakasya. Puta na yan. Pinunahan na kita eh.
Very glowy ang puta. Kumikinang. Puta, inang unscripted ang puta.
Okay. Let's go. Bye! Akala ko malayo, dito lang pala. Dito lang kuya.
Gamitin na lang po natin yung isang tricycle ko sir.
Ah, lilipat tayo.
Ay, yayamanin si kuya, di ba?
Lilipat daw kami dito. Yeah.
So, nandito na kami.
Maraming tricycle si kuya eh. Ito yung backup niya eh. Hello po.
Where was I? Where was I? When the where do I? When this where do I? Back was heard, but still when this where do I? When this where do I? Back was heard.
This is the view. Tatalon daw ako. Doon. Si kuya na bahala sa akin. Pangalan mo ulit kuya? Ikaw mananagot sa akin kuya. Kuya! Wala po rin!
DONTNEEDLOVE. Yeah.
You know, that's why, man, I be telling you all the time, man, you know, love, that word love is a very serious thing. And if you don't watch out, I'm telling you that.
Michael Connolly, remind reminded me with Echo Park and days of hopping on the metro when they let those spark. Back when I collected retro art, and since then many a dearly departed. God bless they heart, God bless they heart. Part of living in Cain, where the sun and the rain became one and the same. I took it as a lesson, I was still learning. Instilled the will of the 84 torch burning. I've been through heartbreaks to breakups to makeups to broke again. Not back again, my soul on the rope again. Took the jacket off and saw blood on my sleeves. When you wear your heart there, this the puddle it leaves. Love, it's the rebuttal of thieves. And chicks are crooks like you, so what'll it be? She steal your heart, now she running the streets. Don't need the pain, man, trouble in me. I don't need love.
I tell you that.
I don't,
I tell you that.
I don't need love.
I tell you that.
Kakatapos lang namin sa falls. Ngayon, kakatapos lang namin sa cliff diving. Tapos, lilipat na kami dun sa falls. Medyo malayo pa siya, 1 kilometer pa siya. Ano masasuggest sa mga travelers na pupunta dito? What can you suggest? Be prepared.
Be prepared.
Magdala kayo ng tubig.
Magdala kayo ng lakas ng loob. Kailangan nyo yun. Pucha.
Ikaw, Neil, ano masasuggest mo?
You need shoes.
Maligo kayo para hindi kayo bad vibes sa grupo.
You need shoes.
Huwag kayo magchichinelas ha. Kung magchichinelas kayo, yung heavy duty naman. Hindi yung galing Habayanas. Pang beach yan eh.
Gago ako din eh.
Hi guys! You're in the vlog.
I tell you that. I tell you that.
I don't need love.
I tell you that.
I don't need love.
I tell you that.
I don't need love.
I tell you that.
Well, Kanye was chasing spaceships all over the nation. I was at the gravesite, face on the pavement. Left college dropout, first flight racing from Scranton, Pennsylvania on a prop plane training.
So yan, nandito kami sa may falls. Yan yung falls. Ang gagawin namin, pupunta kami sa bangka. Tatalon si kuya. Yun yung delikadong tanong kasi ano na yan. Malakas yung current dito pababa. Pag tumanin ka doon, delikado.
Pop out to pop out my chest in Pittsburgh. Paranoid in first class, heard a voice. Real talk. Just touched back in LAX, and my phone starts buzzing to 1,000 texts. Out the gate and running like I'm motorless. I still love you, explain if you don't know the rest. I would say that's when love became an issue. Anybody treated me good, that's when I diss you.
Beg! Bakasyon pa mo! Nangyari sa'yo? So magpa-floating kami hanggang doon ninyo. Doon sa maliit na waterfalls na doon. Nakaka-massage daw ng katawan yun. Si Beg may iwan siya eh. Medyo ninervyos na siya kanina eh. Right, Neil? Yeah. Tangin-ang yun! Let's go! Floating! Gagawin ganda! Gagawin stig! Gagawin sarap! So yeah, pag nasa falls kayo, kung marunong kayong ano ba to? Kung marunong kayong maglangoy, tanggalin nyo yung vest nyo kasi mas mafe-feel nyo yung current ng main falls doon. Pero kung magpo-floating kayo from there hanggang dito, mag-life vest kayo kasi nakakapagod mag-swimming eh. Pero mas mafe-feel yung current ng water pag wala yung life vest nyo. Sarap ba bro? Ano? Oo ba? Parang inaano naagas ka, oo. Oo ako relax. So kaya naisip ko kanina, dalhin ko tong vest eh. Bakit dito? And that is the view! That is the view! Shit! Naka-video, gaganto ko lang eh. I-post ko parang
sa tulog at di na makakain. Bakit ba di pa nun inamin
yung mga stalls nila, pagka busy napupuno yan. Hindi sila busy season, usually Friday, Saturday, Sunday, yun yung mga busy days nila. Pero usually napupuno yan. Tapos sabi ni kuya, usually everyday silang aakyat hanggang dito sa bundok, galing sa civilization.
in love with you, pare, bading na bading sa'yo. Everyday daw ay rainy day and Monday, cause di na ko maaya to come out and play. Tinataguan na nga.
So kakabalik lang namin from Nagtangadan Falls. Now, we're in the hotel right now at 28, pero lilipat kami ng room number 16 ata sa baba. Kasi yung room namin maliit nga, 'di ba? So nagpalipat kasi 2 days naman kami dito. So I have to pack all of these things. Yeah, and fix everything up. Nauna na yung dalawa kasi mas konti yung gamit nila. So let's go. Everything's packed up, but I just gotta have to bring all of this to room number 16. And also I have to like fix this camera, the DSLR and its tripod. Put it in here. Let's go. So nailipat ko na lahat ng mga gamit ko. Ito yung bago naming room. So mas maluwag siya kumpara dun sa isa. Pero nasa ground floor kami. And my painting thing. Maluwag siya kumpara dun sa kabila. And this, I think this is the CR. Parang mas maganda yung CR na kabila. I just hope na hindi magka-plug to. Oh. Kailangan lang namin sabihin, mahina yung internet nila dito. Tapos, meron pang problema dito sa CR ulit nila. Alam mo yung tipong alam mong gagamit ka ng towel, kung ano-ano. Walang lalagyan ng towel. So, dito kami mag-dinner. Pangalan na ta? Jeff says Greek grill. Basta Greek siya. Tapos yung ambience para siyang ganun. Water refilling station.
Santorini.
O nga no?
Santorini inspired.
Water station siya. Every time kakain sa labas, tanong nyo may service water. Kung wala, layas na kayo. May silang certificate, like TripAdvisor thing. Yes? Anong ibig sabihin ng souvlaki? Nako, yari. Matatanggal ka ate. Nako. Ah, bago ka. Nako, patay tayo dyan ate. Kilala ko kasi may-ari dito, kaya ganun, tinakot si ate, no? So ate, ano yung uso? Ito nga, tulog natin eh, no? Kala mo din na tayo gutom eh. No! Ate. Oo, sige. Kasi kausap mo nil. Nakuha ko yun. So this is what you ordered. Ang pangalan nito? Ito yung kebab platter. While kung masarap siya or hindi. What can you say about the food, Neil? Hirap i-please eh, no? Yeah. So how was the food, Beng?
It's good. It's filling. Worth it naman. Pero lang.
Kulang lang sa salt yung tzatziki. Pero yung ano na yun, yung kebab platter nila, actually masarap. Gutom lang talaga ako, malasa. Ito lang talaga hindi nakakaganan eh.
Masarap.
Oo. Sabi niya, mas masarap yung mystery kebab.
Masarap naman.
Alam mo, kaya siya nagagalit kasi wala
Kasi
siya
ate,
nabigay yung gusto
hi
niya.
ate!
Hindi nabigay yung gusto ng yogurt sauce.
Sa ano na yun, mas sulit pumunta dito kumpara sa surf shack. Bye ate, thank you. Bye ate, thank you. We're back! Mula sa labas. So, yan nga.
Tayo nasa.
Bottom line, hindi masarap sa surf shack. Masarap dun sa Greece. Ano pangalan nun?
Yan ang vlogger.
Yung
diba?
Greek.
Yan ang vlogger. Hindi alam ko ano kinakainan.
Yun, yung Greek
Diba?
thingy. Basta yung Greek
Right,
dun ka
right.
kumain. Yun na yun.
Right?
His whisper that linger.
Pina colada. Pina. It's a mixture of pina from pineapple.
Something.
Never mind. Pina and the piña colada. Ba't colada?
It means cooler.
Oh yeah, it's
Pineapple
cool.
cooler.
Yeah, you can feel it, right? It's cool.